Hello friends, I am Bhavish Agnihotri and I am here to tell few words on the topic Introduction to IoT. First of all, I would like to tell you something about IoT. The thing in IoT can be any device with any kind of built-in sensors with the ability to collect and transfer data for a network without manual intervention. The embedded technology in the object helps them to interact with internal states and the external environment, which in turn helps in decisions making process. In a nutshell, IoT is a concept that connects all the devices to the internet and let them communicate with each other over the internet. IoT is a giant network of connected devices, all of which gather and share data about how they are used and the environments in which they are operated. What is IoT? By doing so, each of our devices will be learning from the experience of other devices, as humans do. IoT is trying to expand the interdependence in human. Example, interact, contribute and collaborate to things. I know this sounds a bit complicated. Let's understand this with an example. A developer submits the application with a document containing the standards, logics, errors and exceptions handled by him to the tester. Again, if there are any issues, tester communicates it back to the developer. It takes multiple iterations and in this manner a smart application is created. Similarly, a room temperature sensors gathers the data and send it across the network, which is then used by multiple device sensors to adjust their temperatures accordingly. For example, refrigerator sensors can gather the data regarding the outside temperature and accordingly adjust the refrigerator's temperature. Similarly, your air conditioners can also adjust its temperature accordingly. This is how devices can interact, contribute and collaborate. Here is a diagram of how IoT communicates. IoT hardware. Now you would be wondering what is the required hardware for preparing an IoT solution. The answer to this solution is you will first require sensors that will sense the environment. Then you require a remote dashboard to monitor your output and display it in a cleaner and consumable form. At last, you will require a device with the capability of serving and routing. The key task of the system would be detecting specific conditions and taking actions accordingly. One thing to keep in mind is securing the communication between the devices and the dashboard. Some of the common sensors that you are surrounded by are accelerometers, temperature sensors, magnetometers, proximity sensors, gyroscopes, image sensors, acoustic sensors, light sensors, pressure sensors, gas RFID sensors, humidity sensors and microflow sensors. Nowadays we also have many wearable devices like smartwatches, shoes and 3D glasses. This is the best example of a smart solution. 3D glasses adjust television's brightness and contrast according to your eye, and your smartwatches keep track of your daily activities and fitness. Now I would like to start with the advantages and disadvantages of IoT. First of all, we would like to discuss about the advantages of IoT. Here are some advantages of IoT. First of all, communication. IoT encourages the communication between devices, also famously known as machine-to-machine communication. Because of this, the physical devices are able to stay connected and hence the total transparency is available with lesser inefficiencies and greater quality. Information. It is obvious that having more information helps making better decisions. Whether it is mundane decisions as needing to know what to buy at the grocery store or if your company has enough widget, widgets and supplies. Knowledge is power and more knowledge is better. Automation and control. Due to physical objects getting connected and controlled digitally and centrally with wireless infrastructure, there is a large amount of automation and control in the workings. Without human intervention, the machines are able to communicate with each other, leading to faster and timely output. This is a great advantages to IoT. Monitor. The second most obvious advantage of IoT is monitoring. Knowing the exact quantity of supplies or the air quality in your home can further provide more information that could not have previously been connected easily. For instance, knowing that you are low on milk or printer ink could save your another trip to the store in the near future. Furthermore, monitoring the expiration of products can and will improve safety. Money. The biggest advantage of IoT is saving money. If the price of the tagging and monitoring equipment is less than the amount of money saved, then the Internet of Things will be very widely adopted. IoT fundamentally proves to be very helpful to people in their daily routines by making the appliances communicate to each other in an effective manner, thereby saving and conserving energy and cost, allowing data to communicated and shared between devices and then translating it into our required way. It makes our system efficient. Automation of daily tasks leads to better monitoring of devices. The IoT allows us to automate and control the tasks that are done on a daily basis, avoiding human intervention. Machine to machine communication helps to maintain transparency in the processes. It also leads to uniformly in the tasks. It can maintain the quality of service. We can also take necessary action in case of emergencies. Efficient and saves times. The machine to machine interaction provides better efficiency. Hence, accurate results can be obtained fast. This results in saving valuable time instead of repeating the same task every day. Saves money. Optimum utilization of energy and resources can be achieved by adopting this technology and keeping the devices under surveillance. We can be alerted in case of possible bottlenecks, breakdowns and damages to the system. Hence, we can save money by using this technology. Now I would like to tell you some disadvantages of IoT. There are more advantages of IoT rather than disadvantages of IoT. But there are some disadvantages that we have to discuss. First of all, compatibility. Currently, there is no international standard of compatibility for the tagging and monitoring equipment. I believe that disadvantage is the most easy to overcome. The manufacturing companies of this equipment just need to agree to a standard such as Bluetooth, USB, etc. This is nothing new or innovative needed. Privacy or security. With all of this IoT data being transmitted, the risk of losing privacy increases. For instance, how well encrypted will the data be kept and transmitted with? Do you want your neighbors or employees to know what medications that you are taking or your financial situation? Complexity. As with all complex systems, there are more opportunities of failure. With the Internet of Things IoT, failures could skyrocket. For instance, let's say that both you and your spouse each get a message saying that your milk has expired and both of you stop at a store on your way home and you both purchase milk. As a result, you and your spouse have purchased twice the amount that you both need, or maybe a bug in the software ends up automatically ordering a new ink cartridge for your printer such as each and every hour for a few days, or at least after each power failure when you only need a single replacement. Lesser employment or manual staff. The unskilled workers and helpers may end up losing their jobs in the effect of automation of daily activity. This can lead to unemployment issues in the society. This is the problem with the advent of any technology and can be overcome with education. Thank you. I hope you get the IoT intro.